Hello there. It's Debbie again, aka Fancy Dough. I'm coming to you on this is February 4th, 2019, and this is the New Planner Society kit. And this is the first one that is good for 2 months. So, and this is all the subscriptions. I did not snag the Valentine's Day add-on. I wish had, but somehow my order didn't go through, so I didn't get it. And I missed like the double dip thing. But here we go. I'm going to open this. This was just in the mail as I was going out this afternoon. It was on my porch. Look how pretty. Oh, it's very lovely. It's got like the muted pink and green on the bag. There's the Washi subscription, the Sticker Society, and the Box Sticker Society. So here we go. Let's do the washi first. Oh wait, no, we better do this first because we want to see what it's like before we see the washi that goes with it. Alright, here it goes. This is a 2-month kit. Oh, so cute. I do love this bag. I like these colors. These are very on trend. And here is the pencil pouch. Oh yeah. There we go. You put some of your stickers down here and your pins here and scissors or something there. Ooh, pretty pin. Look, it's got the, I think that's herringbone. Let's find the sticky notes. And we had some of those at one time. Something like that. Some more of that checked ribbon. Okay, I just want to see. Oh, that's so cute. These are like little planner pages, almost mini to-do list, today's date. And such a gorgeous pen. Look at this. Let me give you a close-up from it. Okay. See if I can get the light. It's got the pretty herringbone in the same color as the that pretty. I like that. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to set these aside. This is the sticky notes. And these are a tablet. It has like Monday through Friday, just like notes, like a little reminder card. Set that over there. And paperclip. Blah, blah, blah. Paper clips. This is so pretty. It looks like washi. Little rolls of washi. And it's very, it's embroidered. And it's really nice. Really nice quality on that. The stamp. The little cup. I call them praying eyes. And here's another little cup with the praying eyes. This is a patch, and you could make a cup out of it. I mean, it's a sticker patch. So if you wanted to put it on a paper clip, I suppose you could. I like it. It's cute. I really, really like this kit so much so far. This, let's see what these are. Something different. Kind of like little, I would say that this is like a hard backing for when you can stick it in your planner and stamp on it or write on it or say, put it under here, right? This is what I'm guessing this is. And then you can put your stamp on it or write on it. So when your planner gets bulky, you can just use these. And this does, I believe, have a film on it. But I'm not going to fuss with taking that off. And there are different sizes. So there we go. Or I suppose they could be bookmarks. Now I can see the film. This is like the little herringbone. Let's see. Herringbone on the bow with pink bows. This one is the bow is the same pattern as the paper with the gray bows. Here's another pattern with pink bows and a green or mint colored herringbone with mint bows. Alright, let's see, what's this say? Please remove the clear film from the top layer of each washi card. Washi card! Okay, that's what they are. So, shows you how smart I am, huh? Oh well. Alright, these are, this is a kit. It's got elastics and some binder clips, and you make yourself little pin holders with these. You cut the elastic to length and you glue it onto the binder clip, and I'll show you some of that when I do it. Then these are some pockets. Pretty pink pocket. It's a gray herringbone. These are the pockets. I like these. I'm really liking on these pockets a lot lately. I do have a planner set up to show for one of the past kits that I had been hoarding. I believe it was March of 2018, the kit. But I have just about got it set up, and I'll be bringing that to you shortly. But I'm, again, liking on these little plastic pockets. And this is embellishments. So it has real, almost feel like felt, like they feel like leather actually. Really, really soft flowers. And then there's pink and gray and white. Get these out of here. Okay. And then, so there's more. They're like really soft. I almost feel like kid leather, kid gloves. And then there's these like studs. that I'm sure for the middle of them. And I can't wait to see how these are going to be used in the community. But I have got them before, but I never used them. We got them in a kit in the past, kits in the past. But I have not used my kits as I should have. And so I didn't use those. I don't really know what to do with them. Embellish something. So here are the tabs, and this time there is, the lettering is in pink. It's clear vinyl, or clear sticker paper. Pink lettering. And then the tabs. Can't seem to get a good angle on that. Cute, huh? These are foiled tabs. Sorry, y'all, the light is not doing great tonight. There's a herringbone. Yellow print. That one's just got some little, like, scribbles. Then back to that pattern paper. And then these are I've been using these to actually practice, going in and redoing playing with my kits. I'm liking on these. And then the same thing over again in this light green foil. These are some holographic stickers, like white glitter. I think they're just white glitter, honestly. Die cuts. Looks like there's a lot of die cuts. And they are very cute. So let me see if I can spread them out here. Oh, how sweet. There's a little chair. Yeah. I need one of them. It's a little two-tiered, like Lazy Susan thing full of washi. Little planner. Oh, lovely world. Oh, so lovely. Oh, so lovely. Cute fan. Bookshelf. Pretty little pink backpack. Clipboard. And there's some mason jars with pens and scissors and flowers. And there's another little cup. It says, "I'm not bossy. I'm the boss. I'm the boss." There we go. Just some floral spray. There's a little washi stack. And a roller cart, of course. Every planner girl has to have one of them. And a shelf. And then, let's see, that's a desktop. Got a calendar, lipstick and all that. And, oh, that's cute. Little computer with the grid behind to hang your little clipboards on. That is so cute. Oh, look, there's our little pencil pack. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Oh, wow. I like that one. I didn't come this far to only come this far. Ooh, some good ones. It will never be perfect. Make it work. Life. Let's see. This one says new month, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, and new results. And that is so pretty. Making mistakes is better than faking perfection. Amen, girl. Okay, so there's our die cuts. And here's the kit washi, and it is looking like it's going to be so pretty. Oh, it's gold. It's gold foil. Very, very pretty. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Look, it looks like it's the same as the paper too, but this one is actually got a lot of foil on it. Okay. And then this is our kit stickers, right? Where do stickers go? And there they are. These are the kit stickers. And they're probably a lot like the die cuts they generally are. Oh, yes. I love the little cart. I actually have one of those. They're foiled. It's a little cart and fan, little planners, washi strips. Wow. Cute. That's extremely cute. I like it. It's very, very cute. The gold foil. Just about everything. There we go. Okay, that's our stickers. Kit stickers. Yeah, I do believe that. Okay. Now here is, let's see if we can open our paper pack. So now these kits, so far everything that I have showed you is part of the kit. The regular, just the planner kit. And this is the paper for the kit. So let's see, how many do we have? We might have, I don't know. So it's two-sided. There's got the little scribbles and floral. And there's the chromatic floral and the herringbone. Oh yeah. Acetate. That has the, I need something. It's got the scribbles in gold foil. And this There's rose gold foil. Another acetate. And this paper is, yeah, I love it. Okay, so I have the clear planner, and I've been working with some Michaels paper, cardstock, like that. And that is perfect for what I needed. All right, and then here's some vellum. Let's go. It is actually the print of the bag and everything, but it's got this gold foil. And it's a pink herringbone and vellum. Sorry, that was vellum too. And then extra the paper. So we got the same amount of paper, same amount of vellum. We got an extra acetate and an extra cardstock. But I tell you, I am down with going 2 months, because I really, when I finally get one set up, I kind of like to use it for a while. Yeah, and those are holographic anyway, by the way. Okay, and this is the other subscription. So this is the Washi Society subscription. And there's 4 washies in this. And they are amazing. So this is the wide one. And all of these do have metallic accents that you might not be able to see right there, but they do. And even this one has a little bit. Dots. And these are actually all coordinate with the paper from the kit. There's just, I don't even know if I could, there might be just, I don't know. Might be my imagination. That one might not have gold on it, or foiling on it. This one is gray herringbone with rose gold foil bows. And this one is the pattern paper with some rose gold blotches of foil. Okay. Excuse me. Now we're going to do the Sticker Society. This is another subscription. So altogether this was 4 subscriptions. The planner kit, the Washi Society, the Sticker Society, and the Box Sticker Society. And this is just the Sticker Society, which I'm new to. I think I may only have one other one like this. And that was one that I ordered as add-on, probably, I think, to the November kit, maybe. These are foiled. Nice, and they just go along with our kits. They're extra words. They've got months and days of the week, payday, clean, menu, laundry, bill due, blah blah blah, and all the months. There's bows, little bow stickers, and then there's some check boxes and headers. And some more rose gold, or gold foiled headers and flags. And that's the end of that. It's the Sticker Society. And then this is the Box Sticker Society. Yeah, I like saving the bags. Yeah. Okay, here we go. And this is for your, for my, like Erin Condren. And there's the half boxes, quarter boxes, washi, and yeah, and like washi strips, yeah. Half boxes, quarter boxes, and washi strips. There's our full boxes. They're foiled. Quite lovely. And our check boxes that are clipboards, as usual. And then some headers and functional stickers. Habit trackers, etc. And then we're back to the beginning. So, aren't these beautiful colors? I think this is going to be a successful kit. I love it. And I want to thank you for watching my unboxing. I'll get this up as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.